in this video, you'll learn how to create a free agency website using WordPress and Elementor. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional website tailored to your needs. Begin by navigating to WordPress.com. In your web browser, type WordPress.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the Sites option, usually found at the top of the screen. Click on it to proceed to the next step. After this, locate the button labeled Create with AI. This option is typically highlighted on the site's dashboard. Clicking this button will initiate the AI site building process. Next, a message will appear stating Laying the Foundations. This indicates that the system is preparing to generate your website. You may notice a loading indicator during this time. Once the foundations are laid, wait for the AI to load completely. This may take a few moments. It is essential to be patient, as larger websites might require more time to set up. When the AI has finished loading, you will see a message that prompts you to make a website as unique as you. This is an opportunity to begin customizing your site according to your vision. Now, type in Create a Free Agency Website into the provided text field. This action helps the AI understand the specific type of website you want to create. After entering the text, click on the Enter button. This action will submit your request to the AI, allowing it to proceed with the next steps in the website creation process. You will then see a confirmation that WordPress.com can create a free agency website. This reassures you that the system is ready to generate your site based on your input. Next, type in the choice given above, which may be a suggestion provided by the AI. This action helps refine the website creation process further. Click Enter again to submit this choice. This confirmation is crucial as it signals the AI to continue building your site based on the selected parameters. You will then encounter a message asking, what should your website be called? This is the site title that will be displayed in the browser tab. Enter your desired site name in the text field. After typing in the name of your site, click on Enter to confirm your selection. This step is vital for establishing your site's identity. Next, you will be prompted to provide a tagline or description that will appear in search results and social previews. This tagline should succinctly convey what your agency offers. Type in your desired tagline into the provided field. This description is important for attracting visitors and improving search engine visibility. Click Enter again to confirm the tagline. This action will finalize your website's identity and description. Now click on the Create My Site button. This is a significant step as it officially initiates the website creation process based on all your inputs. After this, you will see a message stating, please wait, your site is brewing. This means that the system is currently working on generating your website. At this stage, you may have to wait for the site to generate. The duration of this process can vary depending on the complexity of the site you are creating. Be aware that this might take a while, especially if your internet connection is slow or if the server is experiencing heavy load. It is crucial to maintain a stable internet connection during this process. Finally, once the site generation is complete, you will be able to access your new free agency website. Ensure you check all features and functionalities to confirm everything is working as expected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.